How to delete comments on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further, select the post from where you want to delete comments from. Once you have opened the post, tap on the comment option you see there in order to load the comments on the post. Now, go ahead and navigate to the comment that you want to delete and tap hold on the comment. Now, in the menu that appears, you will see the delete option. Tap on the delete option, and with this, as you can see, the comment has been deleted. You can also tap on the undo option you see there if you want to undo the deletion. So, this is how you can delete comments on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.